Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got 50 Shimmering Years, Giggling All the Way, and Beauty Big Bang XL-038. I've started off with Peel Ease as my base coat, and these are from the China Glaze collection, Giggling All the Way, and 50 Shimmering Years. Gorgeous. So I'm going to paint some nails, a couple of nails with each of these polishes. And then I'm going to use the other one from this collection that I've decided to use today. And I'm going to bling it up a little bit. There we go. I'm going to cap the free edge. Now I have to admit, this polish right here that I'm using is just so pretty. Giggling All the Way is like a metallic peachy pink. Oh, and I'm in love. And 50 Shimmering Years is a really good polish to use for a topper, but today I'm going to build it up on its own. And here we go with our second coat of Giggling All the Way. Gotta love it. These are those little minis that I bought the set of the minis. And here we go with our second coat of 50 Shimmering Years. I am going to do a third coat on the 50 Shimmering Years nails, but I'm only doing 2 of the other one. Look at all that sparkle. Oh goodness. So pretty. And you know, I might could have got away with just 2, but 3 was my thing. So I'm going to top everything off with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. I'm going to get this to dry down. I am going to be doing a little bit of stamping today. Nothing too crazy, I don't think, you know, a little bit. Oh, I'm not using another polish from this collection today. I'm so sorry. See, I'm confusing this with something else I've done. That's what happens when you do voiceovers. You forget. But today I am going to do the stamping for sure. Because, you know, the girl's a stamping junkie. I am capping my free edge here. There we go. So this one's got the bling and the shimmer and the going on. Here is Beauty Big Bang XL-038, and I'm going to use that flower image. I've got my Conad stamper and Beauty scraper out, and I've got Funky Fingers Dark Night to stamp with today. I'm just going to do this on the bling nails. And I know it's covering up that beautiful polish, but I like that bling that peeks out behind stuff like this. These sort of images to me are just made for polishes like this. I just love that you got that peekaboo jump out at you bling-tasticness. So here we go, getting into it, getting all excited. Here we go, scrape and then pick up. Beautiful pick up, beautiful, beautiful. And now I'm going to try to roll this on. There we go. Tap it down. I'm going to go in with a little piece of tape and do some cleanup. I did remember my Burt's Bees cuticle balm around my cuticles today, so it makes it even easier on the cleanup. Getting all up in them nooks and crannies. There we go. We're getting there, y'all. Okay, so I'm going to go in with a little bit of nail polish remover, pure acetone actually, and doing a little bit of tidying up here. Not much is needed. I'm going to use that little stone from Maniology as my palette. I'm going to put some of that Dark Night out. I decided that to make this cohesive, I was going to just do a couple of little dots on each of the Giggling All the Way nails. I'm not really great at lining them up down the middle all nice and neat, so just have to, you know, work on that. But I really did like the look of this. I thought it was really cute. So there we go. Now I've got to let those dots dry really well. And while they're drying, I'm going to use the Smudge Free Top Coat from Maniology real quick on these stamped nails. I love that shining through. Oh, it's so pretty. So there we go. We're going to let that dry down, and then I'm going to top everything off with the Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls. that all sealed in and protected. I love this polish though. That is so pretty. It's just glowing off the nail. Love it. Ta-da! And now to cover these other ones up. You know, the stamped nails. Gotta get everything all glossy and shiny and gorgeous. So, I will have a link for the products that I can find down in the description box if you're interested. The Beauty Big Bang plate is an amazing plate. I will have a link for it, and I'll have my discount code down there for you if you want to use it. It's 10% off your order, and that's PACK285. There we go, and here is my mani in motion. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. And I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.